Okay friends, now we have an interesting time question from the Temasek Primary School 2015 prelim question, okay? Sally and her mother are traveling to Rome for a holiday. Where is Rome? Rome is actually in the country of Italy. Sally found that when it is 8:40 in Singapore, it is 2:40 in Rome on the same day. We're talking about 24-hour clock, so this is actually in the morning, 8:40 a.m. 2:40 a.m. So from here, very quickly, we know that Rome is 6 hours before Singapore time. Alright, if the plane leaves Changi Airport at 9:45 in the morning and the flight takes 12 hours and 50 minutes, what time is it in Rome when the plane lands? Now the key thing in this question is they are asking about Rome timing. So even though we are given, right, that the plane leaves Changi Airport at 9:45 a.m., it's good to change this first into the Rome timing. Alright, so from 08:40, 02:40, this is actually 6 hours. Okay, so Rome is 6 hours before Singapore time. So at point of takeoff, let's see what is the Rome timing. This will be 09:45. Take away 6 hours, which you will get 03:45. So basically at 03:45, wow, 3:45 a.m. in the morning, right? Rome timing. Okay, this is Rome timing. The airplane will leave Changi Airport, and the airplane will take 12 hours and 50 minutes. So what time does it land? 03:45. We can add 12 hours first to get 15:45 hours, and then from here we can try to add another 50 minutes. Alright, if you're not comfortable, you can add 15 minutes first. So this will bring us to 1600 hours. And then from there, 50 minutes is what is needed. So 50 and 15, the difference is 35. Okay, so we need to add another 35 minutes. We can do it step by step with these kind of timing jumps. Okay, no issues there. So the answer will be 16:35 hours. If they're asking you for PM, AM timing, then your answer will be 4:35 PM Rome time.